T-Pain, Young Jock. Hey, she snapping.
Snap your fingers, please there. You can do it all by yourself. Whoa, baby girl, what's your name? Let me talk to you, let me buy you a drink. I'm T-Pain, you know me. Convict music, never boy. I know the club goes at 3. What's the chances of you rolling with me? Back to the crib, show you how I live. Let's get drunk, forget what we did. I'ma buy you a drink. I'ma take you home with me. I got money in the bank. Sorry, what you think about that? I be in the great Cadillac. We in the bed like we in the bed like talk to me, I talk back. Let's talk money, I talk that. Quart juice bombs, Oakley shades. Shorty got class, oh behave. Let's get gone, walk it out. Just like that, that's what I'm talking about. We gon' have fun, you gon' see. On that Patron, you should get like me. I'ma buy you a drink. I'ma take you home with me. I got money in the bank. Sorry, what you think about that? I be in the great Cadillac. We in the bed like we in the bed like
Won't you meet me at the bar? Respect big pimpin'. Tell me how you feel, mama. Tell me what you see. A certified dime piece deserve Louis 1-3. 150 a shot, 3 for you and 3 for me. I'm checking your body language. I love the conversation. And when you lick your lips, I get a tingling sensation. Now we're both by tipsy. You say you in the mood. All I need is about an hour. Better yet, maybe 2. Let me take you where I live. Ferrari switch gears. When I whisper in your ear, your legs hit the chandelier. Passion, fruit, and sex all in the atmosphere. I'ma let T-Pain sing it so he can make it clear.